Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix Windows 8 activation error. So for fixing it, you just need to go to search tab and just open CMD, write CMD, and just open command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator. Yes. So I showed you how to do it in Windows 10, but you know, in Windows 8 it's the same. You do all the same. So just write command here slmgr dot vbs slash ipk slash, and now here you need to enter your serial number of operation system. You can also view serial number in settings about your system. So you know, it's about 23 digits you need to enter here, and just click enter. So after you write here, after IPK, you write after slash, you write your serial number, just click enter, and your error will be fixed. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.